If you like today and you enjoy the warm weather, you'll love tomorrow. But tomorrow is looking very hot. Well above average. We're talking about a 20-degree above average temperature as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Right now, though, pretty blue skies with just a couple of high clouds out there. We sit at 79 degrees. That southerly wind giving us this nice boost in temps. We sit 9 degrees above normal right now. Now, as we head overnight into tomorrow morning, a warm start, light jacket weather at the very most as we head into Tuesday. Upper 50s for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, low 50s for our Red River counties. Places like Paris dipping into the upper 40s overnight, but generally very mild. We head into tomorrow afternoon, and mild would not be the word I would use to describe this. By lunchtime, we're already into the lower 80s. We head near 90 tomorrow afternoon. That would mark our first 90-degree day at DFW of this year, and in fact, first 90-degree day since October 23rd. 91 our forecast high. Average for this point in the year is 71, so 20 degrees above it. It's going to be hot tomorrow, mostly dry though, even with an approaching cold front that moves through overnight and into Wednesday. That'll bring us an isolated shower threat, so you'll notice those low-end precipitation chances as we get Wednesday into Thursday. Those start to build by Friday when we are looking at some more widespread rain and thunderstorm activity. So let's walk you through that. Here's Tuesday night into Wednesday. Notice most of that shower activity off to our northeast for our Red River counties and our east northeastern counties, places like Sulphur Springs by that point. Clears up throughout the day Wednesday. For most of us in the Metroplex, most of North Texas, we will stay dry through much of our Wednesday, but you'll notice increased cloud coverage by that point. Then by Thursday, Rangers home opener, we'll be looking at highs in the upper 70s by that point. This is back behind that cold front that takes us from the 90s back into the 70s. By Thursday, we're looking at those rain chances really starting to build. But notice most of Thursday afternoon, they stick down to our south. So I think for that Rangers home opener, most of us do stay dry. It's those overnight hours and into Friday that we start to see some of those heavier showers and thunderstorms as well. Something we'll keep a close eye on Friday. By Saturday, it turns more spotty in nature and works to clear to the east by the back half of Saturday. Rain totals as we get through this point, though. Remember how last week we were talking about how dry we were. We needed some widespread rain. It is on tap for this week. Looking at anywhere from about 1.5 inches to 3 inches as we get through the next 7 days. And really by Saturday, most of that rain is wrapping up. Temperature-wise, we remain well above average. We'll be looking at the upper 70s Thursday, mid-70s Friday, back into the 80s for the upcoming weekend. Mid-80s Saturday, low 80s on Sunday. Generally a nice weekend ahead of us. Sunday, the nicer looking day. That's with those spotty showers left over, especially off to our east for Saturday. But that clears up into the afternoon. A drier end to the weekend. Keep in mind, normal for this time of year is the lower 70s. For that Rangers home stretch, we are looking at warm, above average temps. Just going to be looking at a little bit of a wet forecast for Friday, guys.